Namaste to all, welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. I'm Lida. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button. Then only you will get the notifications on time. So today also we are continuing with the same exercise as I told you in the last section. Exercise 3.6, the first question, and here is your 7th question. 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to 82. So first we want to reduce these two equations into a pair of linear equations. After that we have to identify the values, or we have to solve that two linear equations. From that we have to find out the values of this x and y. Okay, so what we have to do? First we have to take, let u equal to 1 by x plus y. Okay, and v equal to 1 by x minus y. Then we can change these two equations into the form using this u and y instead of x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so we can write 1 by x plus y is u. So we can write 10u plus 2 by x minus y is 2v equal to 4. We can divide all the terms in this by 2. Then we can write 5u plus v equal to 4. 4, not 4. It is 2. Okay. And what about the second one? In this case, we can write 15u minus 5v equal to negative 2. So, this is your first equation. Up to the 6th question, I used only elimination method. In this case, I am going to use the substitution method. For that, I am taking this equation as v equal to 2 minus 5u. Okay. So, this is your second equation and this is the first equation. Now, put the first equation in 2. Then we will get, this is 15u minus 5 into v is 2 minus 5u. Okay. Equal negative 2. So, you will get 15u minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Minus into minus is plus 25u equal to negative 2. 15 plus 25 is 40u equal to negative 2. This minus 10 will become plus 10. So, 40u equal to 8, which implies u equal to 8 by 40, or which is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. So, we got u as 1 by 5. Then what about v? v is 2 minus 5u. We can write 2 minus 5 into u is 1 by 5. You can cancel these two 5's. You will get 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So, we got v as 1. As we know, u is 1 by x plus y and v is 1 by x minus y. Since u equal to 1 by 5, we can write 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5, or we can write x plus y equal to 5. This is our third equation. Okay. And we know that v equal to 1. v equal to 1 implies 1 by x minus y equal to 1, or we can write x minus y equal to 1. This is our fourth equation. Now we can find out the values of x and y from these two equations. X plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1. This is the third equation. This is the fourth equation. You can add, isn't it? 3 plus 4 will give you, this is 6. This is 0 and this is 2x. So x equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. What about y? X plus y equal to 5, that is 3 plus y equal to 5, or y equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So we got the values x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So this is the solution of this pair of equations. 8th question, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to negative 1 by 8. So, we can substitute for 1 by 3x plus y and 1 by 3x minus y as u and v. Okay. So, we can take u equal to 1 by 3x plus y and v equal to 1 by 3x minus y. So, we can change these two equations into, this will become u plus v equal to 3 by 4, or we can cross multiply, or we can take this 4 to this side. You will get 4u plus 4v equal to 3. Okay. Now the next one, 1 by 2 into u, isn't it? 1 by 2 into u, or we can write u by 2 minus v by 2. This is v by 2 equal to negative 1 by 8. So we can write u minus v by 2 equal to negative 1 by 8, or u minus v equal to negative 1 by 8. This 2 will become here into 2. So this is 4. Here also we have to take this 4 into this side. You will get 4u minus 4v equal to negative 1. Okay. Here this is 4u plus 4v equal to 3. Here 4u minus 4v equal to negative 1. So we can add 1 and 2. We can add this 1 and 2. Then you will get 4u plus 4u is 8u. Okay. Plus 4v and minus 4v becomes 0. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So u will become 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 4. If u equal to 1 by 4, what about v? We know that 4u minus 4v equal to negative 1. This is our second equation. I am substituting 1 by 4 for the u. 4 into 1 by 4 minus 4 into v equal to negative 1. This will become 1. 1 minus 4v equal to negative 1, or negative 4v equal to negative 1. This will become minus negative 4v equal to negative 2, and v equal to negative 2 by negative 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. v is 1 by 2. We have substituted the values as u equal to 1 by 3x plus y. So here we can write 1 by 3x plus y is 1 by 4. So we can write 3x plus y equal to 4. This is the third equation. And here we know that 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Or we can write 3x minus y equal to 2. This is our fourth equation. So we can solve these two also. Here 3x minus y equal to 2. This is the fourth equation. We can add 3 plus 4. You will get here 6x. This will become 0. This is 6. And x equal to 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. So we got the value for x as 1. And we have to find out the value of y. So 3x plus y equal to 4. We can put the value x equal to 1 here. 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. 3 plus y equal to 4, or y equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So we got x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay. So second question, there are 3 sub-questions. All the 3 questions are step problems. So we have to make the equations first by reading through the, going through the situations. After making the linear equations, we have to find out the values of the variables. Okay. So here is the first question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Okay. So we have 2 variables here. The speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current, or means the speed of the water. So we can take x equal to the speed of rowing in still water, that is x, and the speed of flow of current, or we can write flow of water as y. Okay, the speed as x and y. So we know that in a river or in any streams, there are 2 types of streams can be seen, downstreams and upstreams. Downstream means the direction of the rowing person and the flow of current, or the flow of water will be on the same direction. Okay, on the same direction. And in the upstream means both are in the opposite direction. So if this is the river or if this is the stream and it moves in this direction and the person is also moving in the same direction, the total distance traveled or the total speed taken should be added, isn't it? If the speed of the person is u and the speed of the water is v, or x and y, we have to take the sum of x and y. Okay. If Ritu is rowing in the downstream in this direction and the flow of the water is on the same direction, if this is the speed x, this is the speed y, the total speed must be x plus y. And it is given that x plus y is equal to, the speed is given that she traveled 20 kilometers in 2 hours. That means we have to find out the speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time, which will give you 20 by 2. That means 10. So we can write x plus y equal to 10 here. So this is your first equation. And what about the second one? This is the stream and the Ritu is traveling in this direction and the flow of water is in the opposite direction. This is x and this is y. So the total speed must be x minus y. Okay, this is x minus y. And the speed is given that the total distance traveled is 4 km in 2 hours. So we will get 4 by 2 is equal to 2 km per hour. This is the speed of in the upstream. Okay, so we can write here 2. This is the second equation. By just adding this 1 and 2, we can find it. It's very simple, you know. X plus x is 2x. This will become 0. This is 12. X equal to 12 by 2, which is 6. Okay, this is 6 km per hour. This is the speed. Okay, what about the speed of flow of current? That means y equal to, y can be written as 10 minus x. From this, y equal to 10 minus x. We can write 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4 km per hour. So, second question. 2 women and 5 men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. So in this question, it is given that 2 women and 5 men together can complete an embroidery work in 4 days. Okay, they take 4 days. So what does it mean? 2 women and 5 men can complete the work in 4 days, means they can do 1 by 4 of that work in 1 day. Okay, they can make 1 by 4 work in 1 day. Okay, so if we are taking the work done by 1 woman as 1 by x, or the days needed to complete the work for 1 woman is x. So I can write like this. The days needed to complete, okay, needed to complete the work for a woman. For 1 woman, she takes x days to complete it. So that means the work done she has done in 1 day is 1 by x. Understood? And if the days needed to complete the work for 1 man, if 1 person takes y days, then he must do 1 by y of that work in 1 day. Okay, the work done by 1 man, in 1 day. Okay, in 1 day he will do 1 by y of that work. So now we can write this situation into an equation. That means 2 women takes in 1 day, 1 woman can do 1 by x of the work. If 2 women is there, she will do 2 into 1 by x of the work. And 5 men will do 1 by y of the work. That means 5 into 1 by y. Together they will make the work as 1 by 4. So we can write 2u plus 5v equal to 1 by 4. Since we substituted u as 1 by x and v as 1 by y. Okay. Now we can cross multiply 4 into 2, 8u plus 4 into 5, 20v equal to 1. This is the first equation. And one more condition is given that 3 women, isn't it? 3 women and 6 men can complete the work in 3 days, isn't it? 3 days. So we can write 3 women means 3 into 1 by x. Okay. 6 men is 6 into 1 by y equal to, they will complete the one work in They will complete the 1/3 of that work in one day. Okay, it will be 1/3. So we can write 3u plus 6v equal to 1/3. So we can cross multiply. So we will get, this will be 3 into 3, 9u plus 18v equal to 1. This is the second equation. So our first equation is 8u plus 20v equal to 1. This is the first equation. So we can multiply the first equation by 9 and the second equation by 8. Then we can eliminate this term of u. So this will become 9 into, this is the first equation, 9 into 8 is 72u plus 9 into 20 is 180v equal to 9. This is the third equation. And the second equation become 9 into 8 is 72u plus 80 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 6. 1 into 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. 144. Sorry, this is v. V equal to, this will be 8. This is the fourth equation. Now we can subtract. 3 minus 4 will give you, this is 0. 180 minus 144. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 4, 36. V equal to 1. V equal 1/36. Okay, V is 1/36. We know that 1 by y equal to V. V equal to 1 by y equal to 1/36, which implies y equal to 36. Okay. Now we can put the value. We put V equal to 1/36 in first equation. We will get 8u plus 20 into V is 1/36 equal to 1. So 8u, this can be cancelled. 10, 18 again. This is 5. This is 9. So we will get 8u plus 5/9 equal to 1. Or 8u equal to 1 minus 5/9. Isn't it? 9 minus 5 is 4. 4/9. So u equal to 4/9 divided by 8. That means into 1/8. Okay. This is 2. That is 1/18. Since u equal to 1/18, we know that u equal to 1/18 means 1/x equal to 1/18, which implies x equal to 18. So the time or the days needed to complete the complete the embroidery work for one woman is 18 days and one man. Since we took y as men, so for y it is 36 days. Okay. So the last question of that exercise. Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home partially by train and partially by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. So first we can take the speed of train as x kilometer per hour. Speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour. And the speed of bus as y kilometer per hour. Now coming to the question, the distance between the distance she wants to travel is 300 kilometer. Total distance is 300 kilometer. This is total distance 300 kilometer. If she starts traveling 60 kilometers by train, she travels 60 kilometers up to 60 kilometer by train. Okay, and the remaining 240 by bus. The next case, total distance again 300 and the first 100 kilometers she travel by train and the 200 by bus. In this case, she takes 4 hours. In this case, she takes 4 and 10 more minutes. 4 hours plus 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes means 10 by 60 hours. Total of 4 plus 10 by 60. That means we can write 6 into 4, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 6 hours. We can write like that. Now we can make the equations. We know that the time taken can be found out by total distance by speed. Time equal to distance by speed. Okay. So in the first case, she travels 60 kilometers in train. So the distance 60 and the speed is x. So 60 by x is the time taken by traveling by train. And by bus she traveled 240 kilometers and the speed is y. So 240 by y, this much time she traveled by bus. And the total time taken is 4 hours. So we can write the equation like that. We can divide all these numbers by 4. So you will get 60. 4 into 15 is 60. And 4 into 60 is 240. By x is here, by y is here, here is 1. And we can put u equal to 1 by x and v equal to 1 by y. So we can make this equation into another form. That means 15u plus 60v equal to 1. This is the first equation. And what about the second condition? She traveled in train by 100 kilometers she traveled in train. So we can write 100 by x plus the 200 traveled by bus. So 200 by y and the total time taken is 25 by 6. Here also we can divide all by 25. This is 1. Here it is 8. Here it is 4. So and substitute for 1 by x as u and v as 1 by y as v. So we can write 4u plus 8v equal to 1 by 6. You just multiply the 6 with the 4u and 8v. You will get 6 into 4, 24u plus 48v equal to 1. We can use the substitution method here. So I am writing 48v equal to 1 minus 24u and v equal to 1 minus 24u by 48. This is the second equation. Okay. Now we can find out the value by putting the second equation in 1. So put 2 in 1. So you will get 15u plus 60v. Instead of v, we are using 1 minus 24u by 48. Okay. And equal to 1. So 15u plus this 60 and 48 are multiples of 12. 12 into 4 is 48 and 12 into 5 is 60. So we can write here 5 into 1 is 5 minus 24 into 5 is 120u by 4 equal to 1. This 4 I am writing here. Okay. Now we have to take this 4 into this and this into that side. So 15 into 4 is 60u plus 5 minus 120u equal to 4. Okay. So we can take 5, this 4 to this side. 60 minus 120u is 5. This is minus 60u equal to 4. 5, this 4 can be taken to this side. 5 minus 4 equal to negative 60u become 60u. 1 equal to 60u, or we can write u equal to 1 by 60. As we know, u is 1 by x, isn't it? U is 1 by x. Since 1 by x, u equal to 1 by x, so we can write 1 by x equal to 1 by 60, which implies x equal to 60. That means 60 km per hour. And what about v? That we know. Put the value of u equal to 1 by 60. Put u equal to 1 by 60 in which equation? Second equation. So we will get v equal to 1 minus 24 into 1 by 60 by 48. This can be cancelled by 12. 12 into 2 is 24 and 12 into 5 is 60. So we can write 1 minus 2 by 5 by 48, or 5 into 1 is 5 minus 2, 3 by 5 into 48. 3 can be cancelled into 16 into 3 is 48. So we can write 1 by 60 into 5 is 80. Okay. So this is v. We know that v equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 1 by 80, which implies y equal to 80. That means 80 km per hour. So the speed of train is x kilometer, which is 60 km per hour, and the speed of bus, which is y, which is equal to 80 km per hour. We have completed our exercise 3.6. It was the last exercise. So We have completed that chapter, the solutions to find out the pair of linear equations. We have studied the cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method to reduce the pair of equations into linear equations. After that, how to find out the solution for the variables, isn't it? So, go through the questions and exercises. If you have any doubt, please comment on my comment box. Thank you so much for watching.